Hello friends, welcome to Dharma Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we're going to discuss about biology NEET course. So what is a concept? So we have seen so many different concepts from 8th class level, frequently asked questions and multiple choice questions. Today's concept is pollution of water. Pollution of water. So we have seen that pollution of air, and now we are seeing that pollution of water. So what is the first question? Which of the following is the most essential for the survival of living organism? First one, house. Second, water. Clothing, car. So most essential. So first we required water, that is option 2. Next one, drinking water available in streams, lakes, canals, and all of these. So drinking water will be available in these three types. Next one. So three type resources. Sources of water pollution: dumping untreated wastewater, agriculture waste, both 1 and 2, and planting trees. No, both 1 and 2 will be sources of water pollution, that is third one is 3. Next one, discharging of untreated industrial waste into dash causes pollution of water. So mostly industrial wastages will be joined together as C options, rivers, soil, air and rock. So mostly industrial waste will be discharging in the rivers, that will cause the pollution of water, that is first option. Next, fifth one, the untreated sewage water contains. Sewage means the water which will be presented under drains and what are the in majorly cities that will be joined with the another ponds and all. So that type of sewage we can take it. So the untreated sewage water contains bacterial, fungus, virus. So all of them. So which option you can go? So all will be presented in that sewage water. So all of this you can select. Sixth question. The farmers uses large amount of dash fertilizers which causes water pollution. So first one is chemical, manure, seeds and water. So which one they will use? Chemical fertilizers, right? So then only causes of water pollution. So manure means it is required composting natural cow dung, like that we can call it as a manure, and composting things. So this will be good. Farmer uses toxic chemicals called dash on standing crop protection from pests. So first option, pesticides, insecticides, weedicides, none of this. So we know that is pesticides, chemical, toxic chemicals, that are pesticides. Next one, almost all industries produces a kind of waste called. So what type of waste will be produced from industries? Common term for that. See, first one, sewage waste, agricultural waste, industrial waste, and none of this. So industrial waste is a major common thing. So 8th, third option. Next, ninth one. Water pollution leads to killing aquatic bodies, eutrophication, both 1 and 2, and none of this. So water pollution leads to, we know that is killing of aquatic body and eutrophication. So both 1 and 2. So select both 1 and 2 options. Next, 10th question. Weedicides can cause a type of pollution called air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, and all of these. So what you can say here, all of this. So 10th one is weedicides can cause a type of pollution, that is option 10th one is water pollution. Next, 11th one, the largest river in India. First option Ganga, second one Godavari, third one is Krishna, and none of these. So 11th one is Ganga. So largest river in India is Ganga. Next, 20th one. So up to 20 bits is there. 12th one, sorry. The major reasons for river pollution. Major reasons for river pollution. Polythene bags, planting trees, excreta, all of them. So planting trees will not cause a river pollution. So majorly will be polythene covers. We know that is 12th one. 12th one is a first option. Next one. Sewage water treatment plants to make it less harmful to. Why we will keep sewage water treatments plants? Sewage water, industrial wastewater and garbage water. So 13th one, all of this. So it will be treated for that. It is very good to keep sewage water treatment plants. Next, 14th question. Find out water conservation method. Turn off tap after use, repair leaking taps, use water wisely for cleaning, all of this. So we know that is we have to follow all of this, all the things which will be conservation method. Next, 15th one. How many people die due to water pollution in a year? So first option, 1.5 millions, 2.5 millions, 3.5 millions and 4.5 millions. So 15th question, we know that is it's around 2.5. That is second option, 2.5 million people are dying due to water pollution. Next, 16th question. Water conservation method useful for? So saving water, yes. Wasting water, no. Both 1 and 2, no. None of this. So 16th one we know that is conservation for means saving of water. 17th one. To prevent water pollution, garbage should not thrown into water, dumping of dead waste, dumping of polythene bags, dumping of sewage. So to prevent water pollution. So what we have to follow here, 17th one, garbage should not thrown into water. And dumping of dead waste, all will be wrong. Only first one should not thrown into water. 18th one. The highly polluted river from the following: Ganga, Krishna, Godavari and none of this. So 18th one is highly polluted river in the India is also Ganga. Next, drinking of polluted water causes diseases like cholera, jaundice, typhoid, all of them. So all of them we have to go. Why? Because any one we will get, but majorly these diseases will cause. Next one. Ganga Action Plan helps for reducing pollution in Ganga, in Krishna, in Godavari, in Brahmaputra. So reducing pollution in Ganga, we have to go for the first option. So Ganga Action Plan. So if you like the video, please like it, try to share with your friends and family members. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.